Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a litigation budget with HBR Consulting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Building a litigation budget is crucial for managing legal expenses effectively. Begin by identifying the scope of the case. Collaborate with your legal team to understand key objectives and potential challenges. Next, gather relevant data. Review historical costs from similar cases to inform your budget. Consider the complexity of the case and how it might affect expenses. Determine the key stages of litigation, such as discovery, motions, and trial. Estimate the timeframe for each stage. Consult with attorneys to gauge potential costs associated with each phase. Assess the resources required, including expert witnesses and consultants. Include potential unexpected expenses in your budget. Draft a preliminary budget that outlines all estimated costs. Review the draft with your legal team for feedback. Adjust the budget as necessary based on input from your team. Finalize the budget and ensure all stakeholders are informed. Regularly monitor actual expenses against the budget during the litigation process. Be prepared to make adjustments as the case evolves. Communication is key throughout the process to ensure alignment among all parties. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive litigation budget that aids in effective legal management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.